What you fix your mind on becomes the overflow of your mouth, and the overflow becomes the atmosphere that you live in. It's basically what it's saying here. Psalm 91, 1 through 2 says, he who dwells in the secret place. Goes on to say, I will say of the Lord, my refuge and my fortress, my God. Amid the terror and pestilence and arrows and the armies marching at us, I will say, he is my God. Psalm 23 says that he prepares a table before me in the presence of my enemies. The psalmist is going through some rough times. Psalm 23 doesn't say that he wipes the enemies off the map, but it does say that he makes them sit there and watch me eat right in front of them. And for a boy who loves barbecue, that's awful. Good for me, awful for them. See, we need to get to the point in our lives where God is our plan A, and there is no plan B. He's enthroned on our praises. Psalm 22:3. He is enthroned on our praises. So who do you think gets enthroned on our complaints? Words are partnership. Which kingdom are your words?